Jonathan here at TopSaw. This channel is all things wood, from tree work to woodwork. I teach high school woodshop during the week and then do tree work on the weekends. I've been working with chainsaws my whole life. About 10 years ago, I invented this tool called the TopSaw. And it is the best Father's Day gift. If it's going to be your husband or your dad or whatever, they're going to love this tool. I invented this tool because it'll work on every brand of chainsaw, and it'll fold up really small, and they could sit on your belt. It could sit on your belt this way, horizontally, or even vertically. It's a fantastic tool. Let me just show you a little bit about it. So it comes this way. Here it is, the TopSaw. And it also comes with an additional socket as well. This is more for landscaping. I don't use this one as much, but this one will work on every brand of weed eater and chainsaw. So it's really a chainsaw tool. So this is a 13 millimeter hex. It'll work on a Husqvarna. So here's a small electric Husqvarna saw. It just fits right on that bar nut. And then you could also use it, fold it out for some leverage. And it's kind of even like a speed driver too. So you can take those nuts off really quick. It has a 19 millimeter socket here that fits on every brand of Stihl chainsaw. So here's my big Stihl. And you can see it'll use that bar nut. And the spark plug is also 19 millimeters, so it'll work on that. So it works on every brand of Stihl. Additionally, if you got one of those teeny little Echo saws with the 10 millimeter bar nuts right there, this socket right here just loosens up. You undo it, you flip it around, you have a 10 millimeter as well. So it'll work on any size bar nut and any size spark plug. And then additionally, in the folding part right here, you have a bunch of tools that are all specific to outdoor power equipment. This tool right here is a T27 Torx, which is kind of the standard bolt in the Stihl saws. T25 Torx, they're starting to use those more and more. This is bar oil adjustment, a kind of a small slotted screwdriver. A large screwdriver right there for bar chain adjustment. This is a 4 millimeter hex, which they use in the Husqvarna saws. And this right here is a bar groove clean out tool. So when you take your chain out, you could clean out the groove in the bar itself with that tool. So it has everything you need to work on any outdoor power equipment. Additionally, it's also a file handle, so you could sharpen out in the woods. Here's your file. It just slides right in there. Give it a bang or two on some wood, and then you're ready to file and sharpen your saw as well. It all folds up nicely right here. Has that spare socket for some lawn mowers and some blowers and stuff. And it all goes together right there and sits comfortably on your belt. So if you haven't got your dad a Father's Day gift yet, this is a tool right here, the TopSaw. I'll put a link to Amazon because they'll get it out to you the quickest. I know there aren't too many days left. So I invented this about 10 years ago. People have loved it. The thing about chainsaws is you're usually far and away from your truck and you don't have your toolbox or coffee can full of tools. So this is the only tool you need to work on a chainsaw far from your truck. So get yours today. And thanks for watching. This channel's TopSaw, named after this tool. So if you like all things wood, from tree work to woodwork, hit like and subscribe. And any comments below on the tool would be great. Pull it out here one more time. There it is, the TopSaw chainsaw tool.